Say hi to Jaden, everyone. Hi, baby. Hey, you. Okay, I just have to get on here really quick. I'm not gonna show myself because I look so crazy, but I am starting this UX design journey. I'm currently on Coursera, and I'm beginning the program. I've gone through these like intro videos and stuff, and this is a portion that they ask us to introduce ourselves. So I just wanted to share this with you guys, my little snippet about myself. I say, hi everyone, my name is Gabrielle. I live in Michigan. I'm 30 years old, and my boyfriend and I share 3 beautiful children, including 2 under 2. I'm super excited to begin this new journey into UX design. It's a field I've heard a lot about post-pandemic, and since recently having been laid off, I feel the stars have aligned to push me forward into this new chapter. I'm excited to learn this new skill and venture off into the tech space. My experience has mainly been in the financial industry as both a retail banker and in the community development or corporate sponsorship space. However, most recently, I was in the mortgage industry assisting to clear title for home purchases. With that, you probably wouldn't guess that I have my bachelor's degree in environmental science, but I do. This really highlights my varied interests and the different skills I've been able to leverage in each position. I'm happy to add UX design after completing this course. My passions really lie in community investment and helping to create sustainable living. Ultimately, I hope to bridge all these skills I've learned and be able to create a business structure where I can invest and use sustainable housing solutions and improve the physical environment. My other interests include going to restaurants, trying new experiences, traveling, and just enjoying life. I'm starting to document all of this on my YouTube channel as well. Although we're virtual, I'm happy to embark on this new journey with you all. So I just wanted to share that, and I'm just like, this is like super pumping me up. And I don't know if I'm gonna do like a separate series for this UX journey, or if I'll just, create a video or 2 updating you guys. But this course specifically, I'm projected to end it in like a month, October 9th. Today is September 7th. I actually started this a little while ago, but I just got back on it. And I was also thinking about doing a boot camp, but since this is only a month, I think I'm gonna do this first and then see how much knowledge I've learned, and then do the boot camp. Or I might start the boot camp. I don't know. I just don't know. Because there is a payment involved with the boot camp. So I'll have to see about that. But I'm excited. So yeah, I'll be back after I get myself and my house together. Bye. Yeah, I'm in this massage chair. Best part. I got my lashes done by the one and only Shiny. I love them. They look so fluffy. So happy. Just wait till I get my eyebrows done. Cool. Y'all, we are coming together. I'm in the car now. I'm about to go back home for a minute. My sister-in-law is gonna do my hair. Yes, just look at, can y'all look? I'm looking real crazy, but can y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? My eyebrow is doing something weird right here. I need to brush them out, but she did just wax them. They're more straight. Y'all can see me. Okay, so they're more straight nowadays. I'm trying to see if I like that look, but that's kind of how like I grew them all the way out. And then I want to say since my baby shower, which would have been like in April, they kind of started forming this shape like once I got them cleaned up, because I didn't like for my shower I got them waxed, but I didn't like, I wanted to keep them full. Like pregnancy had me just growing hair like crazy, so I did want to keep them full, especially like in the tail area. So yeah, look at the lashes. Can we just look at these fucking lashes? Look at these lashes. Okay, look, I'm obsessed. Okay, that's how you know you got your motherfucking money's worth right there, when they look like this. Okay, so I'm about to go home. I was looking for my phone. I'm about to do a little IG post real quick since my eyebrows are done, and I'll tag my lash check. So y'all follow me on Instagram if you want to know who did these, or just check the description box. I'm gonna probably put them there if I don't put it on the screen too. And yeah, I will see y'all when I get home, or at my hair appointment. I say hair appointment, but yeah, I'll be back. What's up, y'all? Back at home. I'm making dinner. Some fajitas. I'm gonna make a fajita bowl, so I'm also making some black beans, some corn. I got some cilantro rice I'm gonna add up in there. And yeah, I got the kiddos with me. Jada, say hi. Say hi. And Jaden is in his swing. Jaden is teething. He's starting to teeth, so he's like chomping all his fingers. But since I'm at home, it's some better lighting. Let me show y'all. Y'all see these eyebrows? Y'all see these lashes? I know I was trying to show y'all in the car, but the sun, and I couldn't even see what I was showing y'all, so just gotta. Period. Oh, hold on. Hello? You went to the store already? I was gonna say grab some toilet paper too. Some toilet paper. I can't hear you. I still can't hear you, babe. Oh, okay. This is the finale. Oh, it looks so good. Chicken, corn, black beans, cilantro, lime, rice. Yeah. Peppers, onions. So good. That's and my Simply.
So I can buy some skis.
What's up, vlog? Just got the hair done.
You must want to get whacked for that sarcasm.
Just say hi to the vlog.
What's up, vlog?
What's up? How's school so far?
Good.
What?
Good.
Okay, and that's it.
And I'm gonna wake up early to go to school.
Oh yeah, we gotta wake up early tonight. I mean, early tomorrow morning because today is Sunday, and you have school tomorrow. So yeah, getting gas now, baby. It's at the pump right there. Is Jaden asleep yet?
No.
Is he drinking a bottle?
Yeah.
And Jalen is up too. I will talk to y'all when we get home.
No, you gotta keep recording until we get home.
Oh, a little driving montage. So they can watch me driving.
Yes.
You are just a natural born vlogger, huh? You know what to do. I'll talk to y'all later.
Jaden.
Good morning, you guys. It is Monday, September 12th. I am home with Jalen and Jaden, of course. I'm currently on my class. We've been up for a minute. It's 11:32. But I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys. I don't know if I mentioned it. I have to look back at the clip because I don't remember what I said. But basically, so the Google class I'm taking, the certificate class I'm taking, I'm in week 3 of 4. But, which means I'm almost done because it's only 4 weeks. But I'm wondering if I am missing something. Okay, so I think I heard somewhere that there's 7 courses. I'm in a course, but it doesn't say like course 1 of 7, you know? But I'm thinking it has to be because this is still 4 weeks. Like I did that in 5 days now. Like I'm planning on finishing it today. And I skipped days and everything. I started on the 7th. Today's the 12th, that's 5 days. But I didn't even do it yesterday. And I think not the day before either. So in 3 days, really, I'm basically finishing this. But I'm thinking it just has to be, you know, like I said, course 1 of 7. Even though it doesn't say that yet. So, or at least it doesn't say it here where I'm looking. So I'm gonna hop back on here when I finish the course for the 4th week, and then I'll tell you guys what comes up next because I'm confused. I'm confused because if it's only this 4 weeks, you know, it's some valuable information, but it doesn't seem that hard. So I'm I mean, granted, I haven't practiced anything that I've learned yet. It's been really foundational so far. I haven't done any I haven't practiced it yet. So we'll see. I don't know. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and say that. So when I come back, I'll let y'all know what's next after that 4th week because there has to be more. There has to be more. It also says my projection, if I keep up with the pace that I'm going, I'll be done October 9th. Even though I started starting September 7th, I should be done October 9th. So I'm definitely thinking there should be you know, more courses, you know, that makes sense. I don't know. Anyway, okay, I'll come back on here later. Bye. Okay, y'all, I just finished course 1. You can see here. So this is the timeline of the 7 courses that I have to do. So I knew it was a little bit too good to be true to think that I'd be done with this whole thing after I finish that 4th week, but that's okay. Like I mentioned before, this has me projected to complete the entire thing by October 9th. So that's still cool because this is usually a 3 to 4 month process, I believe. And that means I will have done it in a month. So that's great. So I just finished course 1, Foundations of User Experience UX Design. So next is start the UX design process, empathize, define, and ideate. Then I'll be building wireframes and low fidelity prototypes, conducting UX research and test early concepts, create high fidelity designs and prototypes in Figma, which is one of the tools used in UX design. They did mention that early on. Responsive web design in Adobe XD. And then finally, design a UX design design a user experience for social good and prepare for jobs. So I'm excited. I am definitely done for the day, but tomorrow I'm gonna go forward and start on course 2. And if course 2 has like the 4 weeks, I should be done. Today is Monday. I'll be starting at Tuesday. Oh, the kids have a doctor's appointment tomorrow morning. So I don't know what time I'm gonna be able to start this, but I do want to at least start tomorrow and hopefully be done by like Thursday, and then keep going from there. Like I might skip a day to just give myself a break, or I really haven't done this on the weekend, so I probably won't do it on the weekend. I'll probably just continue throughout the week and just not do it on the weekend so I can have a little break. But yeah, your girl is about to be a UX designer. Okay, period.